Friend, welcome to my channel. Today we have the question again, and the question is find from first principle the derivative of root x plus 1 by root x. So just we have to let y is equal to fx is equal to root x plus 1 by root x. So solution starts. So let delta x and delta y be small increment in x and y respectively. It means delta x increases in x and delta y increases in y. So then when delta y increases on y, then delta x will be increases on x. So if the value of fx is root x plus 1 by root x, then the value of fx plus delta x will be root x plus delta x plus 1 upon root x plus delta x. So here y goes on the left side, so it becomes delta y is equal to root x plus 1 upon root x plus delta x minus y. So here we have to put the value of y value is root x plus 1 by root x. So after multiplying it by minus, it becomes minus root x minus 1 by root x. So here we take root x plus delta x minus root x in one side and 1 upon root x plus delta x minus 1 by root x on another side. Okay, and then we rationalize it by root x plus 1 root x plus delta x plus root x upon root x plus delta x plus root x, and here we take LCM. After LCM we get root x. After taking LCM we get root x minus root x plus delta x upon root x plus delta x. Okay, and then a minus b, a plus b, it goes into the formula of a square minus b square. So it becomes x plus delta x minus x upon root x plus delta x plus root x as it is. Okay, plus root x minus root x plus delta x upon root x into root x plus delta x. Here we have to again rationalize another term, root x plus delta x upon root x plus delta x. Here x minus x cancel, so here delta x remain. So here again it goes into the formula of a minus b, a plus b, that means a square minus b square, and after multiplying it by minus, it become x minus delta x. So here x cancel, so plus minus minus, so here we get minus in place of plus, and then we get minus delta x upon it. This all term as it is. Okay, so here a delta x, it means delta x is common, so just we take delta x common, so we get delta x upon 1 upon root x plus delta x plus root x minus 1 upon this all term. Okay, and then now we have to divide delta x by we have to dividing by delta x on both sides, because we have the formula of derivative is dy by dx is equal to limit delta x tends to limit delta x tends to 0 delta y by delta x. So in any cost we have to bring delta y by delta x. Okay, so here we dividing delta x on both sides, we get delta y upon delta x is equal to this all term, and we let it as equation 1. Okay, and then we get we know that the definition of derivative is dy by dx is equal to limit delta x tends to 0 delta y by delta x, and from equation first we put it in here. Okay, we put it here, and then we know that we put 0 in place of delta x. So where there is delta x, we put 0 on it. Okay, so root x plus 0, so it become 1 root x plus 0 plus root x. Root x plus 0 means root x plus root x to root x. Root x plus 0 means root x into root x means x. Root x plus 0 is root x plus root x means 2 root x. So here 1 by 2 root x is common in these two terms, so it remains 1 minus 1 by x. We take LCM, x minus 1 by x. We know that root x is equal to x to the power 1 by 2 and x to the power 1 by 2 into x. If the base is same, its power will be adding. Okay, added. So x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1, so 1 by 2 plus 1 means 3 by 2. So its answer is dy by dx is equal to x minus 1 upon 2x to the power 3 by 2. So thank you for watching. and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.